To prep my lips for lipstick, I'm starting off with a hydrating lip gel from the brand Patchology. Now, thank you so much, Patchology, for sending me these in a package. So I started off by taking out the lip gel, and I put it on my clean, dry lips. Now, it was a little crooked, but I smoothed it on and made it flat with no bumps or anything, and left it for 5 minutes. As soon as I put it on, the serum on the gel felt very, very hydrating. Now I'm taking it off and rubbing in the excess oil. Now this made my lips feel so hydrated and unchapped because they get so chapped in summer, but I really love the way this made my lips feel. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Now I'm putting on a little bit of foundation and then I'm going to put on some lipstick. So here swatched are Cafe con Leche and Ooh Raw from the brand Impromp.tu Beauty. Now thank you so much also to Impromp.tu Beauty for sending me these lipsticks. Now, these are my absolute favorite lipstick formulas. I cannot tell you how much I love these. I got 2 shades, and they're the smoothest and creamiest lipsticks I have ever played with. Now, I'm not saying this just because they send it to me. I truly love these, and if I could, I would get them in every single shade. I love, love, love these, and you can see how easily they apply. They're so pigmented just with one swipe, as you can see. That's all you need. You don't have to go over it more than once. So the first shade is definitely more of a nude, and the second one is a bright red. They are also very long wearing. I could wear them pretty much all day and only have to do a couple touch-ups. Overall, it was a successful makeup day with the lip hydrating gel from Patchology and these 2 amazing lipsticks.